Everyone thinks the best-selling cordless electric spin mop is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Bissell Spinwave Hard Floor Expert. First up is the Bissell Spinwave Hard Floor Expert. This corded spin mop caught my attention with its promise of deep cleaning without the need for scrubbing. While it doesn't have a price listed, it's often seen as a mid-range option. If you want a powerful clean on your hard floors without back-breaking work, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Spinwave features powerful machine-powered scrubbing pads that tackle tough messes with zero effort from you. It's safe for all sealed floors, meaning you can use it on wood, linoleum, and tile without worrying about damage. Plus, there's an on-demand spray feature that lets you target specific spots. No more wasted cleaning solution. It's easy to maneuver under furniture thanks to its lightweight design, and with over 3,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clear that many people trust this product. Now, some people complained about its corded nature, which can be restrictive. Here's the thing though, it's designed for deep cleaning, and that cord means you get consistent power without worrying about battery life running out mid-clean. If you're okay with being tethered to a plug for maximum cleaning strength, this mop is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you prioritize deep cleaning and have a variety of hard floor types. Skip this one if you need something truly cordless or if you find cords cumbersome in your cleaning routine. It offers great value for its cleaning power. Product number 2, ScrubWiz Cordless Electric Spin Mop. Next, we have the ScrubWiz Cordless Electric Spin Mop. Priced at around $105, this mop stands out with its self-propelled design. If you want an effortless cleaning experience, this one is definitely worth a serious look. What caught my eye is its lightweight build, just 3.5 pounds. It's super easy to maneuver, even for those who might struggle with traditional mops. The dual spin heads rotate at 160 RPM, effortlessly tackling sticky messes. With a 300 milliliter water tank and built-in sprayer, you control how much solution you use. This means no more soaked floors or wasted cleaner. Plus, the batteries last 40 to 50 minutes on a single charge, perfect for a full cleaning session without interruptions. With over 400 units sold recently, it seems like others are loving this too. Now, some users mentioned the need for 2 AAA batteries not being included, which can be a hassle. But honestly, this isn't a deal breaker. It's a common issue with many battery-operated devices. Just remember to stock up on batteries. This is perfect for you. Product number 3, Bissell Spinwave Cordless Hard Floor Expert. Priced at about $234, it's one of the higher-end options, but boy does it deliver. If you're looking for cordless freedom without sacrificing power, this is worth a serious look. It boasts a 20-minute runtime, which might not seem like much, but it's designed for seamless cleaning over sealed hard floors. The on-demand spray feature allows you to dispense cleaning solution exactly where needed, making it great for focused cleaning. At 18 watts, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for getting around furniture. Plus, with 4 reusable mop pads included, you're set for multiple cleaning sessions. Given that 400 units were sold recently, it's clear that many trust this product. Now, here's the thing. 20 minutes of runtime may be an issue for larger homes. Some users have mentioned wanting more time before a recharge. But if you're looking for a quick cleanup, this won't be a problem. This is perfect for you if you have sealed hard floors and need a lightweight, efficient cleaner. Skip this if you have a large area to clean in one go or need extended battery life. It's a solid investment for busy households. Product number 4, Bissell Spinwave Pet Hard Floor Cleaner. While it doesn't have a price listed, it's often found in the same range as other Bissell models. If you're a pet owner and want a mop that can handle tough messes, this is worth considering. What I love about this mop is its powerful scrubbing action. The reusable mop pads mean you don't have to keep buying replacements, which saves money in the long run. It's safe for sealed hard floors, so it won't damage your wood or tiles. Plus, the on-demand spray feature helps tackle those stubborn pet stains without making a mess elsewhere.
It's also lightweight and easy to maneuver, which is essential for those tricky spots. With over 1,000 units sold recently, you can see it's popular among pet owners. However, some users noted the need to use specific cleaning solutions, which can be an extra expense. But honestly, the effectiveness against pet stains makes it worth it for many users who are tired of scrubbing. This is perfect for you if you have pets that create messes on hard floors. Skip this if you prefer an all-in-one cleaner that can handle carpets too. It's a solid choice for pet households.
Product number 5, ScrubWiz Cordless Electric Mop, Mid-White. At around $94.89, it's one of the more affordable options that still delivers impressive performance. If you're looking for an effective and budget-friendly cordless mop, this one is definitely worth a look. With a 300 milliliter water tank and adjustable handle, this mop makes cleaning easy, allowing you to reach those tight spots without bending. It's designed for various floor types, from hardwood to ceramic, and the dual spin heads ensure you won't miss a spot. The lightweight design at 3.5 pounds means anyone can use it without strain, which is a big plus. Plus, with over 300 units sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice. But here's the downside. Some users mentioned the infrared controller can be finicky. However, once you get the hang of it, the convenience of the self-propelled feature makes up for that small learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easy-to-use mop for different...
To wrap it up, we've covered quite a range of cordless electric spin mops today. From the powerful Bissell models, perfect for deep cleaning, to the affordable and lightweight options from ScrubWiz, there's something for every need. Remember to choose one that fits your cleaning style and floor types. Happy cleaning!